Imagine a school where innovation, curiosity and learning flourish. A school that is a joyful place, intentionally designed to ignite creativity and a love of learning. The grounds of Green School are an outdoor classroom, a living laboratory. We learn in nature and from nature. And our cycle of observing, questioning, researching and evaluating teaches skills that will prepare our learners for success in university and the world of work. At Green School, we educate for sustainability. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals provide the framework for our approach to teaching and learning. Our teachers are selected for their energy, passion and creativity. The curriculum is presented in both English and Afrikaans. In kindergarten, we follow a play-based approach to learning, which lays the foundation for primary school, where children master the key concepts in mathematics and literacy. In middle school, we use an inquiry-based approach. Our hands-on, problem-solving learning inspires creativity and critical thinking. We assess skills, competencies and knowledge through a range of assessment tools, giving feedback that is growth-oriented. At grade 12 level, our learners are prepared to enter the careers of the future with an international qualification, an American high school diploma. In addition to the core subjects of mathematics, science and literature, there is a wide range of elective courses. Our children learn that they can be agents of positive change and in so doing can inspire others. The world is changing and we have the opportunity to give our children an extraordinary education.